7014 3.2 millimeters. So here we go. Started with 2.4 millimeters, 3/32 7014. These are the beads I made. So 70 on the machine, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, and then from 160 I switched over to SAB 7014 3.2 millimeters, which is around 1/8 of an inch diameter, and you can see how wide the balls I made look. So obviously here was towards the end of the range, which on this machine should be around 120 amps, but we will see. I believe you watched it live. I would have to watch the video back and break it down. Or let me quickly remove the slag from all of this and see the result. $70 amps on the machine here. We'll see what it is in real life, but you see the beads are actually not sticking to the metal. They're just forming a ball on top of it. Then as we increase the amperage, the bead starts to sink just a bit deeper into the metal. Here you can see how the balls stand up, almost just like a ball of and here starts to sink into the metal a bit more. Here it really starts to widen up and sink in. You can see here it starts to sink in and also spatter, showing okay amperage. These are the 3/1/8 rod, and yeah, bigger sized balls. So this is a ball here, this is the next one here, I believe, and this is the last one here. So overall, the welding is not bad with this machine, to be honest. I know it's not a 200 amp, and I knew it wasn't a 200 amp machine from the time I bought it. So yeah, I think it's enough for home use. So let me go take a look at this, the measurements, and come back.